Unpack the light kit from the box and place it on top. Bend down the light supports, forming an arch, making sure the side with the notch is facing out. The other side doesn't have the notch. The light bars will have small pins with male and female connectors. Connect the wires together. Then snap the light bar onto the supports, making sure the notches match up and the wires aren't crimped. Bend the lights as close to the plants as possible. Turn on the lights so students can see them. If they're too bright for students during the day, set the timer to come on at 3:30 p.m. or when students leave, and turn off 12 hours later.